So oral cancer screening. Oral cancer screening is typically built into any kind of comprehensive exam that we do for our patients, and routine dental care and exam is important because of this as well. Oral cancer is one of the most lethal cancer that you can get, and it is very sad to see that a lot of the oral cancer lesions get missed and could be prevented. So what we do is we try to look everywhere in terms of the soft tissue. Typically, the oral cancer lesions are on the side of the tongue or underneath the tongue. So what we do is on the exam, we would ask you to stick out your tongue, and we'll wrap the gauze around to make sure that we, look at the right side and the left side of the tongue, and also like underneath the gums, and we palpate, like we massage the area to make sure there's like no nodule or anything like that, or any kind of lesion there. So what I mean by lesion is like a white mark or like a red mark on like your soft tissue that is abnormal. So typically like a healthy tissue will have like a pink hue to it, and like shiny, nice and shiny, like what your gums will look like. But when there's like an oral cancer lesion, sometimes you'll see like a white patch or like a red patch on it. And it's actually good to kind of get into a habit of checking it yourself if you can. You can stick out your tongue in the mirror like time to time, like when after brushing your teeth, like maybe every 6 months, just to double check and see if you see anything in the mouth. That way, I hope that this happens to no one, but it's always, when it comes to health, it's always better to prevent it than having to deal with it when it becomes a bigger problem. And oral cancer is one of the most serious things that we look into because it has a very high death rate, and that's something that we do want to take seriously and really prevent as much as possible as a healthcare provider who works in the oral cavity. So let's prevent it. Definitely we can do it together. So don't be too worried if you see any spots in the mouth or anything. Just book an appointment, and we have our professionals who can look at it and make sure that you're healthy and happy and good.